Alright, so what's good YouTube, man? It's your boy FX here and I'm back with another video. In today's video, as you guys know, I'm here to pretty much teach persons how to day trade forex. Uh so yeah, we had this beautiful supply setup today, and I just want to pretty much explain, like, why I decided to take this setup. Yeah, so we took a supply, right? I just wanted to come on here and pretty much explain the setup. I honestly, it was actually a really nice setup. So as you guys know, I always go for one-to-ones, right? I did leave a runner in this trade because I wanted to pretty much target these liquidity down here, and the runner did hit. All right, so that's good. So I go for one-to-ones, then I close partials, and then I leave a runner to pretty much get some more pips if I realize that there's some more opportunity for the market to drop. And honestly, I lost out on some money. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because when I closed this trade and I ended up seeing how much the market really dropped after I came out of the trade, not gonna say I'm pissed because I did make my money and I'm good, but it dropped for a lot. The market really dropped a lot today, and this is really the power of supply and demand, bro. I tell people this all the time, bro. Like, really and truly, with supply and demand, bro, you can get some crazy risk to reward ratio, bro. Like, you're gonna find yourself in those trades where the market is gonna drop so much, and if you didn't leave a runner to probably, depending on what target you're going for, as I said, I go for one-to-ones. But that's why I decided to start leaving runners, because I recognize that, okay, yes, you can consistently go for one-to-ones. However, like, there's going to be times where the market is going to give you way more than a one-to-one, and you can't, in this industry, bro, like, you can't leave money on the table. So regardless, my runner did get hit, but as I said, like, when I really realized how much the market dropped more, I was a little bit like, damn, I should have held this trade a little bit longer. But I'm good. I'm not gonna be greedy. But it was really just a regular supply and demand setup. You guys know, we had aggressive selling coming out of our zone. Uh, Aggressive selling break this structure here, this low. Surprise aggressively. Shout out of our auto out of our zone. Break structure on the left hand side here, and my supply zone at a gap, which you guys know we always try to make sure that our supply zones have gaps. If you zoom up closely, I'll show you the gaps because maybe you guys can't really see it. But if you look properly, you see that the gap is pretty much right there. All right. If you guys know gaps, you'd probably be able to tell. Maybe if you're new, then maybe you wouldn't know. But yeah, aggressive selling at a gap. Price came back to my zone. I did enter this trade aggressively. Didn't wait for the breaker candle entry. I mean, price was really just rejecting my zone too nicely, and that's when I got in. All right. So, I mean, I could have went for the breaker candle entry, but I went aggressive. As you guys know, I do enter my trade aggressively sometime, and sometimes I do enter it by the breaker candle entry. I had a dub yesterday, a really good dub, so a really nice win. So that's one of the reasons, as to why I'm not going to say yes, I was careless because I won yesterday. That's not the case, but I'm like, all right, I got a dub yesterday. I'm gonna enter this trade aggressively to see if we can make some more money. But yeah, in this trade, I made um a little over 2,500, somewhere in that range. Right. Beautiful trade. Definitely really nice trade. Guys, this is it, man. Like, this is gonna become so repetitive. I'm gonna make more videos, but the time is beating me bad, bro. I got so much shit to do. But when I really get settled down, bro, I'm gonna make so much videos, bro. I'm gonna make videos on risk management, um, pips, psychology videos, bro. I mean, I think I already kind of make somewhat psychology videos because I'm always talking about like, how you should really manage your trades and be calm and be confident and accepting the risk. So I do talk about psychological aspects in my videos, here and there pretty much. But uh yeah, I mean, this trade was just really looking good. Let us look on the so we took a sell. Yeah, so take a sell there. Let's see what was happening on the daily time frame. And this was on USD JPY. I haven't taken a trade on this pair for quite some time. So it definitely came through today. Um, I'm not even seeing where the daily, maybe somewhere right here. But as you can see, overall the daily time frame for USD JPY is on a downtrend. All right, overall. However, as I said, guys, you have to pay attention to the most recent price action. So if you look right here, the market is making higher highs and higher lows. So that could mean that the direction of the market is slightly changing. Um, but as you guys know, I've said this countless times, as a scalper, you can pretty much take trades going against the daily time frame. As long as you're taking a trade that is going in the same direction as the 5 minutes time frame though. So regardless that yes the daily time frame was looking extremely bullish, so it was on an uptrend. But if you look on the 5 minutes time frame, I mean, yes, we were coming from all the way down here, so we're pretty much we were on an uptrend on a 5 minutes time frame. But if you look at this here, the most recent price action here, you'll see that the market is making lower lows. Like all these lows was taken out. This low right here was taken up was taken up when price dropped all the way down here. So that to me would basically mean that the market is changing direction. But that's really just it about this for this trade, bro. Today's Tuesday. I took this morning around, I think maybe around, what time was it? 9 o'clock, 9:25. Yeah, pretty much a New York session. Um, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the video. We're gonna not trading tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so we're gonna come back Thursday. We're on a nice win streak so far for the week, so we definitely want to keep that up. All right. Um, yeah, bro. That's really it for the video. Peace and love. I'm out.